Hey there, Seahawks. It's Miss Adams, and in this video, we're going to talk about using studies wisely. All right, how the data were collected. Determine the kinds of statistical inferences that can be drawn from them. So, if we are using random sampling from a population, allows us to generalize from the sample to the population. If we have random assignment of individuals to treatment groups, this allows for inference about cause and effect. Principles of data ethics. All planned studies must be reviewed in advance by an institutional review board charged with protecting the safety and well being of subjects. All individuals who are subjects in a study must give their informed consent before data are collected. All individual data must be kept confidential. Only statistical summaries from groups or subjects may be made public. All right, so here is kind of a table. So when individuals are randomly assigned to groups, and then when individuals are randomly selected. So we have random assignment, yes or no, random selection or random sampling, yes or no. Okay, so if I have yes to both, it was randomly assigned and they were randomly selected, then I can make inferences about the population, and I can make inferences about cause and effect. If I had random selection but not random assignment, I can make inferences about the population, but I can't make inferences about cause and effect. If I had random assignment but not random selection, I could not make inferences about the population, but I can make inferences about cause and effect. And if it's neither, I cannot make inferences about the population, nor can I make inferences about cause and effect. All right, inference about a population. The Pew Research Center interviewed a random sample of U.S. internet users ages 18 and over about their views. One of the questions was, overall, when you add up all of the advantages and disadvantages of the internet, would you say the internet has mostly been a good thing or a bad thing for society? To avoid bias in wording of the question, half of the sample had the wording reversed to bad thing or good thing. Pew Research found that of those surveyed, 65 responded that the internet was a good thing overall. Can we generalize the results to all adults in the U.S.? Explain your answer. So, no, we can't generalize it to all adults. So, all U.S. adults include those who didn't use the internet. So, those who don't use the internet weren't part of the population from which the sample was selected, as well as people that are under the age of 18 weren't included. So, we can't generalize this to everybody. Okay, they did say just adults, but what is the largest population to which we can generalize our results? So, all internet users in the U.S. who are 18 or older is who we can generalize to. All right, inference about cause and effect. Recall the study on the effects of fast paced cartoons on executive functioning, decision making in children. The children were randomly divided into three groups. One group was shown fast paced cartoons, one group was shown an educational cartoon, and one group was given art supplies and instructed to draw pictures. All of the children spent 9 minutes watching the cartoons or drawing. Test the executive functionings were given 30 minutes after the children finished watching or drawing. Based on the study, is it reasonable to say that fast-paced cartoons cause a decrease in executive functioning, decision making? Explain your answers. So, yes, because the 4-year-olds were randomly assigned to watch fast-paced cartoons, watch educational videos, or draw pictures, we had random assignment. And so with random assignment, we can take our findings and we can relate them to cause and effect. All right, go Seahawks.